welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you this install that we did on this 76 Trans Am. First up, we installed the LED headlights. Here is what they look like at night. We also installed the LED switchback turn signals. As you can see here, they are white when your headlights are on and they switch to amber when you use your turn signal. We also installed the front LED side markers. We also installed the Digitel taillights. As you can see here, they are sequential whenever using your turn signal. Check it out. Here is what they look like when pressing your brakes. Here we installed the off-the-floor dimmer switch. And now you can see it in action. We also installed the LED license plate light as well as the LED rear side markers. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.